In the last video, we got all the essential maintenance that I'd been ignoring done on my 2014 Transporter. We got the coilovers done, we got the service done. Now, it's time for an upgrade. Right, we are going to be upgrading to this new S8 multimedia head unit. So ATOTO have sent us this out. This is their new S8 MS, and it does everything. Let's get it installed and see what we can actually do with this. What is in the box? Right, okay. So having gone through this, it looks like it comes with the complete fitting kit. So it's got all the power leads, speaker leads, full video and audio, and we've got an external microphone. And then you've got your Wi-Fi and GPS antenna. Everything's there. Okay, and there's the head unit itself. Look at that, 10-inch screen and single DIN. So I've already got a faceplate, adapter to convert that. So I'm quite excited. Let's get it fitted. Right, first up, we need to get all this out and get our faceplate adapter fitted. Well, that wasn't too bad. There we go, original one out. Okay, faceplate's in. Now let's start having a look at the stereo. Now I've made this mistake before of not fitting the cage first. And you wire it all in and you're like, can't fit my stereo now, and you have to take it all out. So the cage does come with the ATOTO kit. As with any car audio install, you're gonna have to remove a lot of trims. So all I'd say is just take your time and pay attention to where they all come from. Right, install complete. I've got it all powered on. It all seems to be working pretty well. Just tilted this way to show you, or I'll just tilt it this way back to me. Yeah, so you've got loads of adjustment in the screen. You can tilt it that way, but I've locked it into that position. The reason I haven't locked it that way is so when my boy is in the car, oh, want to watch a bit of Netflix, do you? I'll just turn it like that. So installation wise, yeah, pretty easy really. So like I said before, it did come with 3 different harnesses. So you got 2 with the ISO connectors on it, and the only difference between them is your live and your switch live. So you've got 2 options to suit your car to save you put deep in it and stuff like that. And then the third option you've got is just one that's all there ready to just cut and crimp it on. So yeah, not too bad really. Right, so I've had this in for a few days now, so I can give it a kind of fair review and run through exactly what it does and doesn't do. But yeah, so far I'm pretty pleased with it. So, first thing I want to talk about is connectivity. So it's got built-in Wi-Fi. It does come with a prepaid SIM card, which so you can use that. You can hotspot it off your phone, or you can just use your home network if you're, cleaning out your car or something and you want something on the screen while you're doing it. Also, the S8 does of course have Bluetooth, which you can, oh, hold on. And with the Bluetooth, obviously you get all your phone book on there, everything from your phone, and also your music. Sorry for the interruption there. Where was I? Oh yes, connectivity. So another thing with the Wi-Fi, you can get all your apps on here. So I've got Google, I've got Netflix, I've got YouTube. There's a whole host of stuff on there. Seeing as it's got YouTube, means you can watch all your favourite channels. The other way to connect your phone, it's also got CarLink. Although it's an Android unit, it seems to work seamlessly with iPhone. So that's great. So again, CarLink, you can have all your music on there, all the stuff from your phone directly on the screen. You can also use the CarLink for the maps on your phone. But it does have Google Maps on it, which is brilliant. I think that works quite well. There is an option there to add other providers for the sat-nav, but for now, I'm going with the Google Maps. It works. So the other options these have for music is DAB+. So my van didn't actually have DAB to start with. So from ATOTO, you can get a separate DAB antenna. So I've got that installed as well. And now I have DAB with all my favourite stations. Great stuff. Obviously you've got your standard radio, and with the external USBs, you can plug a USB stick in there with all your music on there if that's the route you want to go down. It's got a full equaliser on there, and the amplifier in this unit is much better than my standard VW head unit. So, you know, I'm starting to get a bit of decent sound now. Looks like I'm going to have to upgrade the speakers next. One of the big selling points of this unit is the chat assistant. So it's kind of like Siri for your phone. But with this, you set it up, you add your custom commands, what you want to do. I've set mine to wake up and oi oi. So unlike Siri and stuff like that, you can use this chat assistant to go totally hands-free, and you can get it to turn the radio on and off, open navigation, all this kind of stuff. It's a really good feature. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure I will get some good use out of that. You're not restricted to the apps that are already on here. You have got the Play Store. So pretty much any apps that you're going to get on your phone and all that kind of stuff from the Play Store, you'll be able to get on this head unit. This can also be wired in with your steering wheel controls. So you can get your answer in the phone and volume up, down. I haven't done that yet because I'm waiting on a wiring diagram to find out which cables do what. But it's great to know that I have got that option and I can wire it in. In conclusion, yeah, I've had it in a few days, but so far it's been a pretty sweet little head unit. I must say, the screen quality is really good, like really good. I have watched a film on Netflix while I was at work and I was waiting for something. So yeah, really pleased with that. So if you want to grab yourself one of these S8 head units, get yourself over to ATOTO.com. This isn't the only one they do loads of different options, different screen sizes, loads of different stuff, and more than just head units. I'm going to leave a bunch of discount codes down in the description. Check it out, see what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.